Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So I was going to show you a video of my new Nexar dashcam, and then I came across this inside the memory. This is apparently from the Chinese factory when they were making it. So I thought this might be interesting to include in here. I was going to just show you a cool video of my car driving at night. The video on this dash cam is pretty good, but here you can see some lady is pushing on a screen and it's talking in Chinese to her, and obviously it's been powered up for the first time. Look at all the boxes of Nexar dash cams. So it was making me laugh. I threw in a bunch of clips here, whatever was inside the memory, right? So, anywho, look at this. I thought this was the funniest thing. Anyway, so I'll put the my car footage in here, and you guys can enjoy that instead of whatever that was. That was pretty funny, though. All right, everybody. Obviously, you can tell I'm doing something. I'm obviously, for copyright reasons, I'm not playing the music I was listening to. But yeah, you can see I'm just kind of leaving the apartment, and I just want to go around the block. And the video wasn't that hard to get, actually. What's kind of cool is that since it's a Wi-Fi camera, I could just take my laptop out to my car, and I found an Nexar on their website has an app. It's called some Disk Utility or something, and you can go in here and you can download all the videos around there. That's how I found those videos at the beginning. They just were there, so they didn't delete them. It's interesting, it doesn't show up on the camera, but if you use this utility, you can go in there. It's like all the raw files and everything, so that's pretty cool. But I like the quality is really good on the out-facing camera. On the inside, it's pretty good too. And then what's neat is you see it up here in the top right is it's night vision, which is cool. But during the day, it's regular vision. So maybe when I go to work, I'll turn off the music, and you guys can really hear the engine and everything. It sounds pretty good. I wish I could have played some of those clips in here, but like where I just was, I was like, I was kind of shaking, and it was moving. So I wish I could have let you guys hear that, but I ain't about to get copyright struck. So, anyways, oh, and I don't know if my voice sounds weird now, but because of the clips that were on here, apparently I use this video pad editor. I think it down converts the audio to the other samples, which is pretty stupid. But anyways, so yeah, that's if I sound like I'm in a box or something. That's why it's not right. Anyways, so enjoy the clips, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm working on the Trevor's 3D printer at the moment. Some more videos. So, all right, we'll talk to you. Bye.